Let's make a chamomile glycerite. Making glycerites are easy, and they are a great replacement for alcohol-based tinctures for children or those who are sensitive to alcohol. To make your glycerite, you will need dried chamomile or another herb that you are using, glycerin, filtered water, a jar to make your glycerin in, a mortar and pestle or herb grinder, a measuring cup, a spoon, and a label. I'm going to show you the folk method of making glycerites. There are other methods available using either fresh or dried herbs. If you want to learn more about them, check out Rich Osech's Making Plant Medicine and James Green's The Herbal Medicine Maker's Handbook. You'll want to start by grinding your herb in the grinder or mortar and pestle to powder them as much as possible. Fill your jar half full with the powdered herb. In a glass measuring cup, add the same amount of glycerin as you have herbs. In this instance, I have 2 ounces of dried herb, so I'll be using 2 ounces of glycerin. Now add 1/4 the amount of glycerin with water. Since I have 2 ounces of glycerin, I will need 1/2 ounce of water. You will want to have about 75% glycerin in your mix. If you go below 60% glycerin, you can risk creating a glycerite that can go bad quickly. Stir to combine the water and glycerin. Add the glycerin mixture to the dried herbs and stir to completely combine them. Once the herb is completely integrated into the glycerin mixture, place the lid on the jar and shake it well. Let the glycerin sit for 12 hours. After 12 hours, check to make sure there is extra liquid over the herb. If the herb has absorbed all the glycerin mixture and is rising to the top of the mixture, mix up some more glycerin in the 1:4 ratio and top off your jar. Shake your jar frequently every day for 2 weeks. At the end of 2 weeks, it's time to strain off your glycerite. To do this, you will need a strainer, some cheesecloth, or a cotton muslin bag. I like to wet my bag down so the glycerin will drip through it more easily, and a glass measuring cup. Line the strainer with the cheesecloth or the muslin bag. Pour the mixture into the cloth and let it sit for several hours to drip out. Once it has dripped completely, gather up the edges of the cloth and squeeze the pulp to release any remaining liquid. Compost the remains of the dried herb and pour your glycerin into a labeled jar. Glycerites won't remain shelf stable as long as alcohol does, so make smaller batches to ensure you use them up before they go bad. Your glycerite is shelf stable and will last for about a year if stored in a cool, dark location. You can store them in the refrigerator if you prefer. Because glycerins are not as potent as tinctures, the dose needs to be increased. For mild herbs such as chamomile, take up to 5 droppers full in a glass of water 2 to 3 times a day. For stronger herbs, take 10 to 25 drops 3 to 4 times a day.